Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's subject is Principles of Programming using C. The topic is Introduction to Design Control and Looping Statements. In the C programming language, decision control and looping essentially constructs that allow programmers to create dynamic and responsive applications. These constructs enable program flow to be altered based on specific conditions, enabling complex logic and iterative processing. Conditional statement if statement. The if statement is a fundamental condition statement in the C programming language. It allows the programmer to make decisions and execute different blocks of code based on the given condition. The basic syntax of if statement. The syntax goes like this. Syntax if condition statement is. The statement is can either be true or false. Here is a flowchart representation of if condition. When the condition is started, if the condition is satisfied, the output will be true. If the condition is not satisfied, the output will be false. The condition is typically a Boolean algebra expression that evaluates to either true or false. If the condition is true, the block of code within the curly braces is executed. If the condition is false, the code block is kept. If-else statement. The if-else statement is a fundamental control structure in the C programming that allows the execution of different code blocks based on a condition. It provides a way to make decisions and take appropriate action based on the evaluation of a given expression. If the if-else statement consists of an if block and an optional else block. If the condition in the if block is true, the code within the block is executed. Otherwise, the code within the else block is executed. Conditional statements. Nested if else statement. Nested if. The nested if statement allows you to check multiple conditions in an hierarchical manner, providing more granular control over the program flow. Nested if example. A classic nested-if example checks a student's grade and provides specific feedback based on their performance. Decision tree visualization. Visualizing the nested-if structure is a design tree helps programmers to understand the complex logic and trace program execution. Iterative statements. There are three types of iterative statements: while, do while, for. While loop. The while loop repeated executes a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. It's usually for situations where the number of iterations is unknown. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but it executes the code block at least once, even if condition is true. This is uh, useful for promoting the user for input. For loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known. It provides a concise way to repeat a block of code a specific number of times. Break and continue statements. Break statement. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely, even if the loop condition is still true. It is particularly useful when you need to stop the loop based on a specific condition. Continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move on to the next one. This is useful when you want to perform an action only for a certain iterations while skipping others. Flowchart. Break continue statements give you greater control over the flow of your program by allowing you to selectively execute or skip certain parts or loop based on a specific condition. Switch case statement. The switch case statement is in C is a powerful control flow mechanism that allows for effective decision making based on multiple conditions. It provides a concise and readable iterative to lengthy if-else chains. The swift the switch statement evaluates an expression and executes the corresponding case block. This is particularly useful when you have multiple exclusive options to choose from, making the code more organized and maintainable. Difference between nested if and switch case. Laddered or nested if. If-else statements can check any relation operation. In terms of switch case, switch statement can check only for quality. Expression in if-else can result to value of any data type. Expression in switch should result to either in data type or char data type value. More than one similar condition can be specified in if-else. Case values specified in switch must be unique. Else statement at the end can be used to denote any condition other than specified previously. Default case can be used to denote any value other than specified previously. Difference between continue and break. Break. It is used in loop and switch case. It is used to terminate from the loop. Control is transferred outside the loop. Continue. It is used in loops and not in switch case. It is used in continue to the next iteration in the loop. Control means aid in the same loop. Conclusion and summary. In conclusion, this presentation has provided comprehensive overview of decision control and looping statement in the C programming language. We have explored key concepts like if statement, nested if else, while, do while, and for loop, as well as a use of break and continue statements and the switch case construct. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.